The most powerful feature of AutoCAD is the ability to alter settings and give you control and quick access to features you use to streamline your processes. We'll begin by looking over templates and then go over adjusting our view and tool palettes, our options, settings, and then some specific settings we'll adjust to make it easier for you to perform what you need to do. To begin, let's talk about templates. In the Start menu, you can access templates by dropping down the Templates icon under Start Drawing. Templates are simply files with pre-adjusted settings to make it simpler for you to begin quicker. Anything from a simple ACAD file all the way to a 3D ACAD isometric file. Let's start by selecting a basic ACAD file. Now, we'll go over View and Tool Palettes, Options and Settings, and set up some specific settings to make your layout similar to mine and make it easier on you for future projects. To begin, let's talk about the View tab and the Tool Palettes. Tool palettes are used to give you quick access to icons and blocks used commonly in design. The Tool Palettes bar can be pinned to a specific side or simply float on the page. It's not necessary to have the Tool Palettes bar open at all times, but can be especially helpful when finishing out a project. Like I mentioned earlier, the Quick Access toolbar can pin commonly used tools to give you quicker access to features that you use most often. Things like Properties, the Sheet Set Manager, or even things like rendering. We'll wait until we've used some more tools to pin anything to the Quick Access toolbar. By typing options, we can quickly access all of the options customized for the user interface. Things like the display outlook, to the way that we select, and even the color of our background. As personal preference, I like having the ribbon dark to be able to have contrast. I use a white background space because it helps me maintain my layers throughout the process all the way to publishing. This can be changed by going into Colors under the Display tab on Options. You can then change the uniform background to something like white. You may find that you need to change other features like crosshairs, major grid lines, if they're too dark or they interfere with how you work. But for this project, use a white background. That will end this segment on customization. In the next video, we'll finish adjusting our options and cover snap settings and units.